In order to learn spoken English, no matter how much books you have read or how much grammatical rules you know, at the end of the day, what you have to do is to implement all your knowledge or all the rules which you have learned. For it, you have to start practicing of it, because learning any new thing requires practical knowledge. So in learning spoken English, we require an environment where we can find people to learn it, to practice it. But it's very difficult to find out the environment of spoken English in India. So what to do? You have to create environment of it. How? Right now you are holding a device in your hand. We can create environment of spoken English by this device. I am providing some WhatsApp groups links in the description. You have to join those groups by the time. Right now, if you are thinking that you do not have that much of confidence of speaking, how I will speak in front of people, don't worry. Because Mr. Praful Billore once said, MBA Chaiwala, most probably you know him. So he said, if I want to build a building on a plot, then what I will do, I'll just went there and put two bricks on that plot. By the time whenever I'll again go for that plot and look at those two bricks, that will subconsciously hit my mind that, man, you have started something and now you have to move further. So right now, if you are thinking that you do not have that much of time to practice of it, or you do not have that much of motivation or confidence to speak English, you have to just simply join those groups. By the time whenever you will go for your WhatsApp, you will see some notifications over there that will hit your mind that, man, you have to learn spoken English, you have to start practice of it. So I have provided some groups link in the description box. You have to check it out and then start your spoken English journey. I'm guaranteeing you that by the time, if you are consistently practice for 2 or 3 months, you will definitely find a lot of changes in your spoken English. And this rule of Mr. MBA Chaiwala, we can implement it in every new thing which we want to learn. We have to just start it. By the time, all the things will happen accordingly. Hakendra signing off. Goodbye.